up, everybody? Oh my gosh, like I'm excited to be filming this video. I know I've been MIA for like the longest, you know. I was kind of going through some things, positive things, but you know, I'm back. So I'm gonna try to be more consistent with my videos. If you are new to my channel, welcome. What's up? My name is Tina Aurora, you know. So I'm here today to show you guys how I style my hair. I had a few people ask me like, what products do I use when I wear my hair down curly, you know, because they'll be like, oh my god, your hair smells so good, or your hair looks so pretty, what products do you use? So I thought, why not just do a quick little tutorial on how I do my hair curly and what products I use to make it look the way that it does, to help y'all out or whatever. So here I am. Oh, and thumbs me up if you like this eye makeup. Hey, highlight popping though. Oh gosh. But yeah, so if you guys would like to see how I got this hairstyle, my daily hair routine on how I style my curly hair, then just keep on watching. How I style my hair when I have it curly is I use two different products. I'll show you the two products that I've used when I'm about to start doing my hair and everything, but I usually like to have my hair soaking wet. If pretty much wet, I don't like my hair to be dry or like damp. When I wash my hair, I only use conditioner, and I don't rinse it out. So I leave the conditioner in my hair, and I just like usually just get out the shower, I'll pin it up or whatever until I'm ready to do it. My hair is wet now, and I'm just gonna brush it out. Get all the tangles, knots or whatever out of my hair. Then I will part it to the side that I usually like to have it on, which is always the right side. I always part my hair to the right side. Oh shit. So now that I have my hair parted the way that I like it, this is when I'll apply the product in it. The two products that I like to use for my hair, I first go in with the 100% coconut oil hydrating curl cream by Marc Anthony. I love, 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 love this stuff, you guys. Literally, this, you can get this at CVS. I found it at CVS, and I also can get it, you can get it at Ulta or whatever. But this stuff is amazing. I've tried so many different type of curl creams for my hair, and gosh, like this one is the best. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you, like this for my hair at least works amazing, and it literally, this is perfect. So I literally just like, I go in, okay, I literally put a lot. And I just kind of just start pulling the product like through my hair, and I'll literally like use a lot of that stuff because one side gets coated with just that much. So I'll like do one side. My hair would just, it'd be so wet, and then with all the product in it, it'd just be like really wet looking. But I like my hair like that. Like, I don't like my hair to look dry. I like it when it's wet, and I don't diffuse my hair either. I used to diffuse my hair, but I found that that makes my hair frizzy, and I don't like that, you know. So I put product in it, and then I just let it air dry. So oh my god, I'm like looking at my daughter right now, and she's just staring at me like, hi baby, hey mama. She's so beautiful. And then after I'm done putting that product in, I go in with the Maui Curl Quench Coconut Oil. This is also amazing. So I go in with this, and again, like I go in with product. Yo, hair stuff lasts me like a week, 2 weeks, because I literally use so much of it. Like, I'm basically like brushing it through my hair. I like to do this because, I don't know, I like to stretch my curls out. I don't really want them to be so, because my hair is kind of short, so when my hair dries, the curls form, and you know, my hair will look shorter, so I kind of stretch the curls out so when it does dry, you know, my hair will look a little longer. After I applied both those products in my hair and I feel like, you know, I have a good amount in there, this is when I will kind of just start scrunching my hair. Put a little bit more in my hair of the coconut oil Marc Anthony cream. And I usually just try to get my ends real good because those are the parts of my hair that like kind of dry faster. So I just keep scrunching it until I like the way it looks. Sometimes like I'll take a towel and I scrunch it a little bit more with the towel just to kind of dry it up a little bit more and take any excess product out. Oh my god, my earring fell. So yeah, you guys, that's basically it. Like, this is literally how I do my hair. Like, it literally takes me like 5 minutes to do it. I like to let my hair air dry, so like by the end of the day my hair will be thicker, it'll be more fuller. I feel like being extra. I have picked these little bobby pins up from Michael's. I thought they were really cute, so I'm gonna like try to do that little hairstyle where, you know, like the bobby pins on the side of the hair. I've been seeing like a few girls do that. I thought it was cute, so I was like, let me give it a try. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we're gonna figure it out. This is the final look, you guys. This is how I do my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you guys like those products, if you have tried them already, and if you're going to try them, give me your feedback, because I definitely feel like those two products are like my holy grail. Like, I need those in my life for the rest of my life, because I've tried so many different hair products, and those two I found to be the most perfect for me and for my hair. Like, I just love it. So, you know, if you guys tried them, or if you're going to try them, let me know how you like it. And, you know, if you guys recreate this little hairstyle or whatever, I mean, I'm probably sure a lot of people done did this hairstyle before, but just tag me, okay? Just be like inspired by Tina Aurora so I can feel loved. And yeah, that's it, you guys. That's it. 360-degree realities.